Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining today. Folks, we're going to cook you some dinosaur beef ribs. Not the little bitty short ribs. I'm talking about the big dinosaur ribs, baby. I got a rack of those. We're going to fire up the pit barrel cooker with some lump charcoal and see how that lump does in the pit barrel cooker to cook up these beef ribs. It's going to be good. Hope y'all stick around.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Alright, this is my rack of beef ribs. I already got the hook. I put it back behind the second bone in the thickest end. I was thinking about putting 2 hooks in here, but you can see how floppy that last rib is right there. It's real thin right here, so I don't want to risk the rib rack falling down into the charcoal. So went with the thicker end. Always goes with the thicker end, folks. Now, as many of you know, I like to check out all kind of different YouTube channels, but my cooking friends I do like to follow and see what they're doing. One of them recently I was checking out, his video was Papa Texas, right here in Texas, and he was using some of this Uncle Steve's shake. Now, Uncle Steve makes about 3 or 4 different versions of this. He's got the original, the spicy. He's got another one that's some kind of gator type spice blend. I'm using this one. This it's a thick meat blend, and it's the first ingredient is black pepper. So I thought this would go really, really good on this beef. Already got it opened, I believe. I do. Yep, let's go ahead. I did remove the membrane for you guys out there that like to do that. And I'm not going with any kind of binder this time, but usually I would put some Worcestershire. So we're going to get this side done real quick. And I'm not putting a heavy coat on this back side. There you go. Kind of pat it in. Flip her over. And do the other side. And I just pulled this rack out of my fridge, so it is still cold. Well, that's a good looking rub, Steve. I like that black pepper as the first ingredient. Alright, we're going to get this all taken care of, and we're fixing to put this baby on the pit barrel cooker. And I got to find me some wood chunks to stick in there too, so we'll bring y'all right back. Alright, I found some pine chunks. There you go. That one's going in right there. Ha! That one in right over there. Let me go get the rib rack. Right in that rib rack, we're just going to sit it right over here, guys. Just like that. Cool. Alright, we're going to check on it here in about an hour or two, see what it looks like. Alright, we've been going 2 hours. Let's check and see just how these ribs are looking. They're looking pretty good. I ain't even took them off the hook yet. Yeah, man. Check that out. Those are looking real nice. Really nice. Awesome, man. Alright, 2 hours in. We're going to keep on cooking. We're going to let them do their thing. So we'll catch y'all back here in just a little bit. I still got plenty of that lump charcoal down there. I've only burned like maybe a quarter of it. Still got some wood left. I did add 2 more little smaller chunks of wood because it wasn't smoking enough for me right at the beginning. But I'm still seeing 2 chunks that ain't even been touched yet, so we'll keep cooking. Alright, we're 5.5 hours. Let's go ahead and check these ribs. Oh yeah, they look fantastic. Check that out. Won't that look good? I'll move them around a little bit for you. I think they should be pretty tender. Checked them about an hour or so ago, and again about 30 minutes ago. Yeah, these are feeling really, really nice, folks. Internal temp is, let's see, about 165, 170. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on a cutting board. Give you one last peek at them. See if I can zoom you out a little bit, but give you one last peek at them right here. And we'll put them on a cutting board, tin them with a little foil, and let them rest for about a good half hour to an hour. I'm gonna go hit the pool. We'll check y'all back here shortly. All right, folks, here we go. That's these beef ribs right here. They've rested for about a good half hour or so. I got a lot of strong light coming in right here because it's almost sunset. And if you're interested in this knife, it's a pit barrel cooker knife. They sent it to me, so I'm going to use it since I used a pit barrel cooker today. See if I can cut me one of these nice ribs here. And I got to get between the knuckle here. These knuckles are always kind of tough to get between, but let's give it a shot. There we go. Alright guys, that's what we're looking at right there. See if I can turn that for you so you can have a good look at it. There you go. A little bit of smoke ring, not a whole heck of a lot, but that'll work for me. Smoke rings just for eye appeal anyway. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Let's dive into this one. Let's see what it tastes like. The bone's right here, so I got a nice big hunk of meat right here. Let's give this a taste, folks. All right, folks, that's what we got right there. Beautiful bark on this baby. You'll check that out. And again, I did remove the membrane off the back. Here's the other side. Gorgeous color, just as I would expect from the pit barrel cooker. And again, the meat's on, that's the bone right here, so that's the meat on this side. Let's dive in, let's see what it's like. Folks, I'll tell you what. Old JB, Baton Rouge, Louisiana Cajun recipes. He'd be happy with this. JB loves his beef ribs. That's fantastic. You know, I gotta be honest, man. That Steve's shake, that rub. Let me go get the bottle. Remind you. Hang on. I apologize, Steve. It's Uncle Steve's shake. There you go. Uncle Steve's shake. This is good stuff, y'all. Again, I saw Papa Texas using that on one of his videos. Y'all go check out Papa Texas too. Link will be up here in the corner for his channel. Excellent, excellent rub. Thank you very much, Uncle Steve. I appreciate you sending me some of that. And folks, beef ribs are always good. Y'all know I like my beef. Here being here in Texas. If y'all enjoyed this, y'all give me some thumbs up. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. We'll see y'all next time.